Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's got a lot of people curious: how to check who viewed my WhatsApp profile picture in 2025. I'm excited to break this down for you step by step, but let's get real. WhatsApp privacy is a big deal, and things might change by 2025. First off, as of now in 2023, WhatsApp doesn't have an official feature that lets you see who's viewed your profile picture. It's not like other social media platforms where you get notifications for every glance. That said, rumors and future updates might bring something new, so let's explore what we know and how to stay safe. Start by opening your WhatsApp app and heading to your profile. Tap on your profile picture, but you'll quickly notice there's no built-in viewer list. Why? WhatsApp prioritizes user privacy, so they don't track or share who looks at your photo. Now, you might have heard about third-party apps or tricks online that claim to reveal this info. Be cautious. These can be risky. They often require giving access to your account, which could lead to hacking or data breaches. In fact, WhatsApp's terms of service discourage using such tools, and they could get you banned. Looking ahead to 2025, with tech evolving fast, there could be updates. Maybe Meta will introduce privacy controls like view counters, but for now, focus on protecting yourself. Go to Settings, Privacy, Profile Photo, and set it to My Contacts, or Nobody, to control who sees it. This way, you're taking charge without needing shady methods. In summary, while we don't have a direct way to check viewers yet, always prioritize your digital security. If you're interested in more WhatsApp tips, hit that like button and subscribe for updates. Drop a comment below. What other privacy hacks do you want to learn? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.